1, 2, 3. Hi everybody! Today we're gonna make muffins because we love muffins. We need 3 eggs, sugar, vanilla aroma, milk, and oil. I'm making tea.
Yes, you can. Say it. Try it.
Flour. Baking soda. Salt. So first we're gonna crack the eggs. You cannot do it. Holy moly! You put the eggshell inside. Yes. So now we're gonna mix the eggs. I'm not going to do it. Now we have to put the sugar in. We're gonna mix again. A lot of sugar. Now my sister is gonna put the vanilla aroma outside. Enough. And now we're gonna mix again. Now we're gonna put some milk inside. And it is done. And 1, 2, 3. And now it's mixing time. Now we're gonna go to part 2. The salt, the baking soda with the flour. So, baking soda. Put all of that in here. It's smelly. I'm gonna mix with this. No, you're not. We're gonna mix with this one. So now we're gonna put the foil on the cream. You want to do this side? Yes. I put it in the freezer to cool, and then tomorrow we're gonna bake them. Welcome back. Welcome back. Now we're gonna put the mix in the forms. We have hearts, dark hearts, and ones. Circles, red, and light hearts. First, we're gonna take. My sister is gonna take the full layer off. We're gonna scoop a little bit of mix and then put it in the forms. Can I go first? Yes, this heart. That heart? Yes, this two comes you and this two comes me. Yeah. Big scoop. And now I'm. Wait, I didn't even put it in. More put in. More? Yes. Go, quick. Yeah. Mama. Enough. Now we're gonna put it in the oven for like 15 minutes. So now we're gonna taste the muffins. Fluffy. Oh, done.
Yes, you worked for it, eh? You made it.
I'm super well done. Looks very
Like it?
tasty.
Yeah? You like it? Yum, 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 yum.
I think baby likes it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Say bye.
Like and subscribe.
Say bye.